In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set priority on a task in Wrike. For those of you who might be new to Wrike, it's a powerful project management tool that allows you to organize and track your tasks efficiently. Whether you're managing a complex project or handling daily tasks, setting priorities correctly can make all the difference. So, let's dive right in and see how we can effectively set these priorities to keep everything running smoothly. To kick things off, you'll want to navigate to your Wrike dashboard. This is your central hub where you can see all your projects and tasks at a glance. If you're not already there, open your browser and log into your Wrike account. Once you've accessed this dashboard, you'll have a comprehensive view of everything that's currently on your plate. Next, look for the plus icon. This small, yet significant button is your gateway to adding new tasks or manipulating the current ones. Hover over it and click. This step is crucial because it enables us to start interacting with the tasks we want to adjust. Ensuring you've got the right permissions to edit tasks is also essential here. After clicking the plus icon, a list of different options should appear, allowing you to manage the specifics of your task. What you're looking for here is the Importance option. This feature is key when it comes to setting priorities. Click on Importance. Wrike recognizes the need to categorize tasks based on their urgency or significance, and this tool allows you to do just that, efficiently focusing your efforts where they are needed the most. Now decide on the level of importance for your task. Wrike typically offers a straightforward system, such as marking tasks as low, normal, or high priority. When choosing the right level, consider deadlines, the task's impact on your overall project goals, and resource availability. Setting the right priority helps you and your team understand what requires immediate attention and what can wait, optimizing your workflow. Once you've set the importance level, your next step is to ensure that this change is visible by clicking on Highlight. Highlighting a task alters its appearance slightly, making it stand out from the rest. It acts as a visual cue, reminding yourself and others of the task's significance whenever you glance at your dashboard. Highlighting is particularly useful in collaborative environments where several team members are working within the same projects. And there you have it. You've successfully set the priority for a task in Wrike. Following these steps will not only help keep your workflow organized, but also improve team communication and enhance productivity. Remember that consistent prioritization is a habit that can greatly benefit your project management endeavors. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of Wrike and other project management tools.